So now it's the time for the last panel of the day, that is talking about the parametric design and new age methodologies changing the facade concept a way forward. So I would request Mr. Ankon Mitra, Director from Hexagram Designs, Mr. Amit Khanna, Design Principal from Amit Khanna Design Associates, Mr. Sushant Verma, Founding Partner, Red Lab, Mr. Ankur Kashiva, Founder Director, Cubatic Design, Mr. Amit Gangal, Principal Architect from Madak India, Mr. Avinash Singh, Director, Arc Village 24, Mr. Amit Murao, Partner from Ashray Design Consulting, Mr. Chang, Principal Architect from AA Studio Consulting, Mr. Mario from Lingle Windows and Door Technologies. I would request Mr. Ankon Mitra to moderate the session. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. So building on this idea of complexity and trying to look a little beyond it. So let's say if we try to posit that, parametric architecture is not only about solving complexities or trying to create these fancy looking things, but beyond it, let's say, we talk a little bit about stuff that the previous panels also touched upon, which is of course very current as well, the idea of ecology, the idea of sustainability. And with that specific perspective, my questions to Avinash and to Amit Mura, that, how would you use, say, parametric thinking to make our buildings better, make them more sensitive to climate, make them more receptive, less energy consuming, and having less carbon footprint?
Yeah, hi, thanks everyone. So, definitely, as you said, when we say parametric design, the first thing which comes in my mind is like it's a complex structure, or everyone's mind is it's going to be very complex structure, as Sushant also said. And most of us definitely had this fascination in our college time that we do all the complex structure and we need some blend some softwares, how do we achieve those things and all. But when we started our practice in Arc Village, we can say we were not getting client to accept that extent that they're ready to spend that much money and they wanted to spend on the softwares. Lot of, although now things are getting better, but that time it was definitely. So we started getting into the practice, real practice, how do we achieve that? So in that, I'll tell you my personal experience. We're doing one resort which is in Cherrapunji, and we all know that it's a heavy rainfall area. So there, what we could do is, there are a lot of software plugins where you can get the solar part, how do we achieve the openings of the structure, what should be the angle of repose so that we can get the material. So we started implicating on our design, and that's why we could see these parameters are not only about these fascinated, the structure we can use in a very environmental friendly way also, very sustainable way also. And I can tell you, in my personal experience, when we started that project, it has almost 30 feet a slope where we had to go with the angles, we had to very particular about the materials, we had to use the local materials and all. So we started using those parameters, like this window of the year, we get this much of rain, what should be the sun path in that particular month, so that we can create a shade accordingly. And then we started getting those information which was very vital for us to design, and it was very helpful. So this is another aspect of what I can say in parametric design, which should be, and we all do. It's nothing very different, I think, and for that we don't need very skilled labor. Yes, in India, I would say parametric design has some limitations in terms of skilled labor, infrastructure, and awareness towards from the client side. Yes, we are getting towards it, but this is where we need to start educating people and we need to start getting things. But till that, definitely these are the factors we can use in our design. Thank you.
India. And Mr. Avinash Singh, Director from Arc Village 24. Next, I would request Mr. Keshav Kumar from Young Men India